Hello everyone. In today's video we will be discussing about asexual reproduction in fungi. Asexual reproduction refers to formation of spores without any kind of gamete formation and gamete fusion. And there are four very important types of asexual reproductions in fungi, and we will discuss one by one. The first form of asexual reproduction is zoospore formation. What is zoospore? Zoospore is nothing but a motile spore equipped with cilia or flagella. It is a locomotory structure which helps the spore to swim in its surroundings. And based on the nature of zoospores, there are different types of zoospores can be seen in fungi, and they have been classified like uniflagellate whiplash type of zoospores, which are having a teeny single whiplash type of flagella at the posterior end of them. And there are uniflagellate tinsel type. Tinsel refers to ornamentation, and in the anterior side of the zoospore, sometimes that means the swimming side, we can see the tinsel type of flagella in the zoospores. And there are sometimes there can be biflagellate zoospores, both with the tinsel and whiplash type, and there can be biflagellate zoospores with the whiplash only type of zoospores can be seen. And these are the very important characters to categorize the Phycomycetes or lower fungi in nature. Then we will study about Chlamydospores. Chlamydospores are resting spores which are created by the hyphae only, where the cell contents will be aggregated together and they will have a thick coat around them, and they wants to behave as a resting spores to overcome the unwanted or unfavorable conditions. And once the favorable conditions retain, they may detach from the fragments and they will act as a new plant yielding material or new fungal spore to propagate. Then Oidia or arthrospores are the third very important types of the asexual mode of reproduction, where a spore resulting from the fragmentation of a hypha at the septa. Here what happens, individual in a septate hypha, the hypha should be septate to be form Oidias. So probably or most probably it is found in Ascomycetes. All those things are a little bit higher septate fungi only. And here we can observe that the fungal hyphae will get septate, and each septa will have within its compartment, it starts accumulating more and more cell matters, reserve food materials to overcome the unfavorable conditions. Then they will detach from the main thallus and they will become reproductive in nature. Because arthron refers to joint and spore, arthrospores refers to joint spores because they are formed within a hypha. Last but not the least, Aplanospores. Aplanospores are the spores without any kind of motile structure, that is flagella. So they are non-motile, they lack flagella, and they gets released from the sporangias. The Aplanospores will be released into the air and they will travel to the great distance through the air. So zoospore formation, chlamydospore formation, arthrospore or oidia formation, and aplanospore formation, these four are the different types of asexual mode of reproductions which we can see in the fungi. So if you like my lecture, like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening.